What's going on, guys? Mitch from Panda Motorworks here, and in today's video, we're going to be ditching the OEM taillights on our Ford Bronco and replacing them with the Oracle flush mount taillights. We're excited to finally be checking out the Oracle flush mount taillights for the Ford Bronco. Unlike the OEM taillights, these do not protrude out past the body, giving these lights a clean, flush look. The stock taillights stick out roughly 3 inches from the body, which can be less than ideal if you're serious about off-roading. In actuality, sustaining damage to the taillights isn't uncommon, and when it does happen, it can be very costly to fix, especially if your Bronco came equipped with the LED taillight. On tight trails, obstacles such as rocks or branches can come into contact with your OEM taillights and damage them beyond repair. Since the Oracle taillight is tight to the body, taillight damage is greatly reduced. So let's say that you don't often find yourself off-roading or in situations where your taillights could sustain damage. You may be wondering, why would I want these? Outside of the flush design, these taillights feature LED lighting elements that include a sleek perimeter LED design. This will provide a unique look to your Bronco and also significantly upgrades light output compared to the halogen taillights equipped on lower trim level Broncos. These taillights also include integrated LED reverse lights that provide light outputs comparable to some LED light bars on the market, coming in at an astonishing 1400 lumens. Since lumens are a measurement of total light output, these reverse lights are seriously bright. These Oracle taillights are plug and play. However, if your Bronco is equipped with the LED taillights, you will also need a 4-scan flash for proper operation. Installation is also slightly different with the LED package, and since our Bronco does have the LED package, we'll cover that install process. Keep in mind that if you have halogen taillights, the process will be slightly different, but mostly unchanged. At the time of this recording, we are nearing the launch of our remote 4-scan service called Panda Scan. With Panda Scan, you will be connected directly with our calibrator, who will be able to make changes to your Bronco. With years of 4-scan experience under our belt, we can provide you with calibrations you desire while minimizing risk of sustaining costly damage. If you are comfortable with 4-scan and you are looking for the DIY calibration, I will leave a link to Oracle's video that explains exactly how the process is done. Now that we know what to expect, let's get in the shop and install our new Oracle flush mount taillights. First, unscrew and pop off these 4 plastic clips. Now you can pull off the plastic cover. Pull this lever to unlatch the fender and pull it away. Detach this lower panel below the taillight. Remove the 2 bolts under that panel. Now remove this trim piece and unscrew the 2 bolts hiding behind the taillight. Unplug the taillight harness and remove the taillight. We have the factory LED taillights, so we will remove resistors. Just as a precaution, we use electrical tape to seal off the connectors. Install the provided rubber spacers in the bolt holes. This is only for the driver's side. Use snips to trim this small piece of plastic on the trim panel. This is essential for proper fitment. Plug in the new taillight and put it back in place. Now you can reinstall all bolts, panels, and covers. Simply repeat the same steps on the other side. Alright guys, that's going to just about wrap this one up. We got the Oracle taillights installed and they are looking great. If you are looking to pick up a set for yourself, I'll go ahead and leave a link for you in the description below. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure that you're smashing that like button. Make sure that you're subscribed and have that notification bell clicked so you don't miss out on any of the new content. And also, we want to hear from you. Would you run these taillights on your Bronco? Let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.